Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic of discussion tumors of eyelid. First of all, I will only tell you the names of different types of tumors. It's clear that there are two types of tumors, benign and malignant. Now first of all, I will only tell you the names of these types. After that I will little bit explain the only benign tumors, and at the end I will show you the different pictures of different tumors, benign tumors. What are benign tumors? Pyogenic granuloma, keratocanthoma, capillary hemangioma, xanthilosma, neurofibroma, melanocytic tumors. After that, malignant tumors: basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, sebaceous gland carcinoma, malignant melanoma. Now we are going to explain pyogenic granuloma. What is pyogenic granuloma? What is the definition of this disease? You have to remember these are the skin growth. Pyogenic granuloma are skin growth, but these are small, round and bloody red in color. They tend to bleed because they have a large amount of blood vessels. You have to remember 3 to 4 points. First one, these are skin growth. Second one, these are small, round and bloody red in color. Third, these tend to bleed because they have large amount of blood vessels. 3 points you have to remember, and the treatment is surgical excision. Second, what is second disease tumor? Keratocanthoma. What is keratocanthoma? First point you have to remember, it always occurs in adults. It's not a disease of infancy. It develops in adults. Now what is the definition? It is a common low grade, rapidly growing skin tumor. Common low grade, rapidly growing skin tumor. First point क्या? What is the first point? First point is it develops in adults. Second point, it is a skin tumor, rapidly growing skin tumor. Third one, it is believed that it always develop on hair follicles and only on the sun exposed areas of the body. Okay, and what is the treatment? The treatment is same, surgical excision. After that, capillary hemangioma. What is capillary hemangioma? Here you have to remember this is a disease of females. Commonly female, maybe in male, common in female. And definition: benign tumor consisting of abnormal overgrowth of blood vessels. Overgrowth of blood vessels, and it is a disease of infancy. I have told this is a disease of adults, this is a disease of infancy. What is the definition? Benign tumor consisting of abnormal overgrowth of blood vessels. You have to remember abnormal overgrowth of blood vessels in common female and disease of infancy. But it has 3 treatment options before it develop in the first year of life. It take regression in the second year of life. It covers in 40% in 3rd year of life. In 4 year of life, but in 70% till to 7 year of life. 3 treatment options: injection in the lesion, laser therapy and surgical excision. It has 3 treatment options. Fourth one is xanthilosma. What is xanthilosma? It is easy. Yellow patches on inside corner of eyelids, around the eyelids. You can see yellow patches on inside corner or medial canthus of the eyelids or around the eyelids. But it can be developed anywhere in the body, but especially on upper or lower lids near the medial canthus. It is common in middle aged women with high blood lipids. The treatment is same, surgical excision. After the neurofibroma, it is a type of nerve tumor that forms soft bumps on or under the skin. It is a type of nerve tumor that form soft bumps under the skin or around the skin or on the skin. 90% cases are alone as tumor, but in 10% it is with mitosis. Okay. Now you last one is melanocytic tumors. Always develop from melanocytes. It migrates from during embryogenesis. Remember, it migrates during embryogenesis. They have the uncertain malignant potential. You have to remember all these points. Now I am going to show you the pictures of these tumors. In the next lecture we will discuss the malignant tumors, but now I am going to show you the pictures. If you have any question about the theory, you can also ask from me. Let's see the pictures of these tumors. Assalamu alaikum student. Now I am showing you the pictures of different tumors. You can see here, this is the picture of pyogenic granuloma. I want to show you the different pictures of pyogenic granuloma. You can see here, this is another picture. This is the third one picture of pyogenic granuloma. This is also pyogenic granuloma. This is also pyogenic granuloma. And I want to show, this is the pyogenic granuloma in a human mouth, in our teeth. Now I want to show you the second tumor, keratocanthoma. The disease of, this is the picture of keratocanthoma. You can easily differentiate this tumor from other disease, myogenic granuloma. Now I want to show you the capillary hemangioma. This is the picture of capillary hemangioma. It can easily differentiate from other disease. Now I want to show you another picture of capillary hemangioma. This is also capillary hemangioma in this area. And now I want to show you the another picture here. This is an excellent picture of xanthelasma. I have told you it will be in the near the medial canthus here in this picture, and here you can see easily, and here it is very clear near the medial canthus. The yellow color patches you can see clearly. There are yellow color of patches near the medial canthus. Now we are going towards the neurofibroma. These are here in this picture. In this picture there is clear neurofibroma. The last one I try to show you here. This is the picture of melanocytic tumors. This is the last type of malignant tumor. I have showed you all the types of pictures of all types of tumors. Now I think you can easily differentiate in different tumors. If you have any question, you can ask from me, and I request to all of you that please subscribe our channel, like, comment and share our channel, so that the notification of every coming video comes to you. Thank you so much.